Hello everyone, I'm Harry for Olymtech Compressors. Today, I'm delighted to introduce you our best-selling product, CAY Series Compressor. Let me tell you why it's so outstanding.
It has IP66 protection level and IE5 energy efficient rating, with high-quality safer use, stable operation and low noise. Equipped with a durable audio-cooled, permanent magnet model, it's dust and moisture resistant, suitable for harsh environments, and had a long service life.
We use top-brand Innovance inverter. This product makes the compressor save energy, responds fast, and runs smoothly without sudden glitches, cutting down on useless power waste. Of course, we also use the Innovance screen. It has smart cell reception when turned on, and the system is easy to operate. No complicated steps, even for first-time users. What's more, CAY Series Compressor is built to be durable and safe. Strict check before deliveries. No hassles for daily life. Do you want to know more? Please contact me.